This fitting video is for the driver and double passenger seats found in the Mercedes Vito van. These seat covers are waterproof, airbag compatible, and designed to protect your seats while maintaining full practicality and comfort. They include an adjustable armrest cover. The headrests remain fully adjustable, and all seat belts remain fully accessible. Step 1. Start by removing the driver's seat headrest. You may need to tilt the seat forward or lower the seat slightly to remove it. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the side of the backrest cover. Pull the cover over the seat like putting on a t-shirt. Pull the cover down evenly at the sides, front and rear so it sits square and neat. Step 3. At the top of the seat, tuck the plastic headrest housings through the openings in the cover. Step 4. At the side of the seat, push the seat cover down below the armrest and attach the Velcro together underneath the armrest. Step 5. At the bottom of the backrest is a foam tuck-in pouch. Push this firmly into the gap between the seat base and backrest. Step 6. Pull the front corners of the base cover over the front corners of the seat. Step 7. Tuck the side foam section into the gap between the seat base cushion and the plastic trim. This section can be tight. Do this on both sides of the seat. Step 8. At the front of the seat, locate the two Velcro straps. Wrap them around the metal bar under the seat, then Velcro them back onto themselves. You may need to pull the base of the seat cover forward to let the straps reach. Step 9. Fit the armrest cover like putting on a sock. Adjust the seat position if you need more space. Step 10. Reattach the headrest and fit the headrest cover like putting on a hat. Step 1. Start by removing both headrests from the double passenger seat. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the side of the backrest cover. Pull the cover over the seat like putting on a t-shirt. In panel vans, pull the rear and side fabric section down between the seat and bulkhead if it has one. The cover can be tight, so you need to pull down hard at the sides. Step 3. Tuck the plastic headrest housings through the openings in the seat cover. Step 4. Move the seatbelt out of the way. Thread the cover behind the seatbelt and attach the Velcro sections together. Step 5. At the bottom of the backrest are two foam tuck-in pouches. Push both foam sections into the gap between the seat base and backrest. Step 6. Pull the base cover over the seat base and around the front corners. Step 7. Locate the long elastic strap with buckle attached and pull it behind the seat backrest. Connect the buckle to the clip on the opposite side. Step 8. Refit both headrests to the seat. Fit the headrest covers like putting on a hat.